Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send a video message on Viber. So first you just need to open your Viber application. After that you just need to choose the conversation. Now from here at the bottom right side you will find a microphone option which will allow you to send voice messages. Now if you want to send video messages, then you just need to tap on it for once to change it to this video icon. So when the video icon comes here, so that's means you can just now send video messages by tap on this. So you can just tap on, just hold on this, and from here you can see it is just asking for it has just opened a frame where you can just create a message and you can just send it by releasing it. So here you can see it has just sent that message as soon as I release my finger from this icon. So that's how you can just easily send video messages on Viber. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next.